What are you doing? Your gulo-gulo your hair, ha? No, you do like this. Yan. Your hair is look a bulbul, no. My goodness. But you're so pogi, ah, pogi. You do like this, oh. Okay. Is this okay? How old are you?
34.
34. Me too. I'm 32. You're so bagets, ha? 32. Oh, me. 32. You, 34. 2 years. Agwat, oh.
Me 33.
30.
Me 32.
You, 32. Oh, we're same age. Nice.
Music.
Where are you from? What is your country? Muna.
India.
Hello. You're so pogi. All India is so pogi. Oh. Diba? What is that? Is that hair in your mouth? You have so many hair in your mouth, ha? You do shave your mouth, so many hair. He looks Pepe.
You nice my country.
Oh. Yeah, so nice talaga. Okay. Peace. Opa. Opa. Oh. Okay. What is that? What's the meaning of that, huh? You have 3 fingers only. How 4? Oh, what is silent? Huh? What are you doing, huh? Oh, what's the meaning is that?
You dance.
Oh, dance? I'm dance like this? I'm dance. What is that? What is that? Okay. Oh, thank you for sending gift, Jones. So many sending gift to me, huh? 1 flowers, 2 flowers.
You dress you very sexy.
Oh, my dress. This is not dress. This is a t-shirt.
Yes, t-shirt. You very sexy.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm very sexy for your eyes. Oh, thank you.
You stand up.
I stand up? Wag na. Upo lang ako. So tired. I'm sitting down only. Why are you smiling like this? You're so cute, ah. Oh, what is that? Thank you, thank you. Why I'm not winning the picky? Huh? How would I do? But so many sending the gift. Why not counted in this picky? Oh, 550 ano to? Dollar ulit. What's the meaning is that? Mm,
One more.
one more.
One more.
Ayaw ko na, uy. Iatay mo na yun, eh.